Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you one simple embroidery technique. So let's begin. This is our embroidery pattern. This is the leaf embroidery pattern. It is a simple one. Let's start our embroidery. So today I am going to do this leaf outline using a combination of colors. Here I used Rangoli embroidery thread with a light green and white color in combination. First, we should prick the needle from the back side of the fabric to upside from the tip of the leaf. In the same side, the needle should be wrapped with one layer of thread and pierce from one side of the outline of the leaf to down. So we should prick it down and we should go to the tip of the needle from the back side of the fabric to the opposite side and we should pull it out. So when we are pulling, the both side of the tie get tight. So here you can see first we should do a little slowly. The same thing we should repeatedly do. So the same stitch we should pull it out, wrap around the needle and we should pick it one side of the leaf, go down and we should pierce the opposite side and we should tie again. We should do one more tie again over the needle and we should pull it out. So here you can see before going down and after coming from the down, the thread or the needle get a wrap around with the one set of thread. So the same stitch we should do it repeatedly to cover this leaf. The fabric here I used is the poplin cotton and the thread here I used is the Rangoli embroidery thread. And for drawing this leaf I used a heat erasable pen and the needle that is the normal needle. This is a simple leaf embroidery technique. If you are a beginner and if you are interested in this type of embroidery, you can try it once. So, if you like this embroidery video, please give me a like, please subscribe and please support my channel. Your like and your subscription, your watch time, everything will make me to reach in count. So, please support and like my channel. The main important thing in this embroidery technique is that when we are wrapping around, before going to pierce the fabric, wrap around the needle with one set of thread and after coming back also we should wrap around, and both of the set should be in a tight manner, then only we will get a proper beautifully appeared stitches. Hope you like this embroidery tutorial. If you like it, please give me a like and subscribe, and please support my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed and peaceful day.